Hey kids, today we're working on a MPV 7100. It says a multi-purpose vehicle. What this rig is a lawnmower and a generator all rolled up in one. And if you see here, here's an electric panel for the generator. We just replaced brushes. You can see that in a different video. But this unit here is a gas-powered engine that generates electricity, charges a 48-volt battery that runs an electric drive that runs this unit. It's a hybrid. It's a pretty neat rig, but it's very intricate. The issue is, now that we're going to fix, is it will not run without the parking brake on. It won't even start. So let me go through that. We're going to see, you can tell the parking brake is on right now. You can see the foot pedal is depressed, and this is locked on. When we go to start it runs, no problem. If we take off the foot pedal and try to start it, it will not run. Okay, now we're going to depress the pedal, lock it in place so you can see that it starts. And now we're going to turn off the pedal, and it just automatically dies. So now it's totally off. So what I got to do now is bypass the electric safety switch on the parking brake. I have an issue with that because now this will have no safety devices. If you look here, the seat switch has been bypassed. Once we bypass this, when you get on and off this rig, you hear it rev right up. It's at the maximum RPMs to run the generator and this unit. You don't use a throttle setup at all. This is an electric drive pedal. So when you put it in forward motion, you actually have to hit this drive pedal for it to move. And when you get on or off this rig, you climb on, you can hit this switch and you can accidentally hit that pedal and you can run yourself over. So I'm not recommending to do this, but I'm showing you how to do it in case you've got to do the same thing that I'm doing to diagnose any other electrical issues with this rig. So let's get to it. So here the red and white, or red and black cables is the parking brake switch. We're going to unplug this, push on that prong, unplug it, and then we're going to throw a jumper right into here. And I have some really cool looking jumper keys that I use. Sorry for the hand, but if you look right here, I'm just going to plug that right into here, and I'll show you what that looks like. So that's what that looks like. These are the set of keys that I use, and you just plug that prong in, and these two metal things will make a connection. That's a temporary jumper, and then eventually I am going to have to cut it right about here, splice these together, keep this unit here for him and later to be able to run it, because you're not going to be able to run this and diagnose it drive wise with these keys dragging on the ground, and you're not going to want to hang them up. So this is just to see if this works. Okay, sorry for the jiggly camera, but we're gonna undo the parking brake. We're gonna turn on the So that's how you do your jumper. This is where you do it from. And next step is, like I say, cut it back here, strip some of the wire, the tape. This is electric tape. It's not really good job. Maybe somebody's already done this, but it looks like maybe it's factory. Anyhow, that's how you do your parking brake jumper. Any questions or comments, feel free to let me know. Hammer down. Have a good day. Be safe, people. Yeah, so my hunch was right. This has been doctored before, but we're going to doctor it again. We're going to snip here, join these two wires to complete the circuit, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to use a solder and seal butt connector. Solder's right in the inside, and this has heat shrink in it. I just wanted to show that to you. You can get these on Amazon also. Love them, love them, love them. They do a great job. Okay, so now that that connection has been made, our parking brake is in fact off, and we will voila! Now we'll be able to diagnose issues with this rocker switch maybe, or this pedal. We're not sure yet. Yep, I don't know if you heard a word I just said, but we'll be able to diagnose anything with the drives now. Couldn't do it before. So anyhow, it is a safety hazard what we've just done, so keep that in mind. Alright, safety first. Any questions or comments, feel free to unload right on this site here. Appreciate your participation. See you later.